Gold futures. In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We are in positive MACD, and we're at overbought levels with the RSI. As with the 4-hour chart, we see the same action, positive MACD, and that overbought condition with the RSI. As we extend that once more onto the daily chart, we are about to approach to positive MACD, and we're also approaching to overbought levels with the RSI. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio, and my long entry is at $166.01, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $169.95, and my stop loss is at $165.36. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $172.57, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $166.66, and my stop loss is at $173.24. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold futures has a 20% chance to climb between 0 to 2%, and a 40% chance to fall between 0 to negative 2%, a 20% chance to fall between negative 2 to negative 4%, and another 20% chance to fall between negative 4 to negative 7%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.